When I was a child, I dreamt of travelling the world. I was fascinated with meeting new people and exploring different places. I like to question everything and developed a strong love for storytelling. I was determined to find a career that would allow me to realise my dreams and more. I signed up for an apprenticeship in TV production and now work for the BBC.
Being an apprentice can help you realise your dream too. It's a job with training and you'll develop higher level job specific skills. You'll combine the practical experience with working towards a nationally recognised qualification. And while you are working, you'll also be earning a wage. If you're interested in an apprenticeship, visit careerswales.com and follow the apprenticeship link to register, or find out more on Facebook or Twitter. The apprenticeship programme is funded by the Welsh Government with support from the European Social Fund.